Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create Hollywood-style VFX video with VO3. And in here, we'll be using a JSON prompt to keep our instructions crystal clear. And this is the key to get blockbuster quality results. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Gemini AI. We're going to ask Gemini to generate a structured JSON prompt for us. And why JSON prompt? It's because unlike a normal text prompt, the JSON prompt will let you break everything down into sections like the environment, characters, special effects, and even camera styles. And with that way, VO3 will know exactly what kind of VFX scenes that you want to create. And for this tutorial, I will make things easier by using a gems that I have already created called the JSON prompt maker, like this. And if you don't know how to build this gem yet, don't worry, I have made a full tutorial. You can just watch it by clicking the link in the description. Now let's open the gems like this, and then just simply type a request that you could type like this. Just create a JSON prompt for Google VEO3, and then just describe VFX video that you want to create. Make sure you describe the details clearly. After that, Gemini will generate a structured JSON prompt with those details, like this. And once you have the JSON prompt, the next step is just head over to Google Flow and then just paste the JSON prompt into prompt box over here. And then just choose your model video that you want to use, and then just set your output. And after that, you will have a professional VFX video that looks like this, like a sample that I made before. Okay, let's try to play. Like this. As you can see, you will have a professional VFX video that looks like a real robot transformation scene straight out of a movie, like this. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? With VO3 and JSON's prompting, you can create cinematic studio quality VFX shots in just minutes. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.